Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best Panasonic inverter air conditioners you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Panasonic inverter air conditioners and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Panasonic inverter air conditioners so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a Panasonic inverter air conditioner. First, focus on the energy efficiency rating because inverter technology helps reduce electricity consumption and maintains consistent cooling. Next, consider the cooling capacity that matches the size of your room for optimal performance. Look at the air purification features like filters that remove dust and allergens, which improve indoor air quality. Check the noise level, as quieter operation ensures a more comfortable environment, especially for bedrooms or offices. Evaluate smart control options such as Wi-Fi connectivity for easy operation through mobile apps. Lastly, review the warranty and after-sales service to ensure long-term support and reliability. By checking these factors, you can choose a model that fits your comfort, budget, and energy needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.